told me to spend my vacation time going to spoken English classes. I thought that it will definitely steal my precious time playing cricket. But now I am satisfied with my father's decision because my level of confidence to speak English has increased a lot.
I wasn't able to speak like this before I joined the class, but now I am very confident to speak anything in English.
Today, I am going to tell a few words about my spoken English classes experience. Actually, I enjoyed my vacation on Clariphone English classes on Classic College. It is very full of activities and entertaining works. Now I am engaged in an activity of making dictionary of nouns. I thought that I had to improve my English, so I will join this college next year also.
I'm sure it will develop your speaking skill in English a lot. It is a very interesting class and very easy to understand.
This class will increase your level of confidence to present anything in English and engage at ease in social situations. I wasn't able to speak English fluently before I joined here, but now I am very able to speak not only English but Malayalam also.
I was very shy to speak others before joining in this class, but now I am very confident to speak and deal with people at ease in any social situation.
There is no punishment, no emotion writing, no insulting in front of other students. It will improve all of your skills in English.
The first thing, you will get a lot of word power through the project work, and second thing, you will get a plenty of opportunity to speak in English presenting your project. Thus you can speak English very fluently.
In my opinion, this class is very good and I enjoy this class. But first time I didn't like this class because I thought this class is very boring and very difficult. But after this time, I like this and I enjoy that very much. We can speak English very fluently after 2 months. And I agree with that.
I can easily overcome my hesitation to speak English, presenting something in English. This class is very good and very interesting. Thank you.
I think this class is very amazing and I wasn't able to speak English very fluently before I joined this class. But now I can. If you join this class, you can speak English very fluently. And I will recommend my all relatives to join this class. Thank you.
What do you think of this class?
I like this class very much because it's easy to understand. This class will help my future life, and according to me, this class very bright.
The project works in this class will develop your power of vocabulary a lot.
Guys, today I am going to say some sweet words about the experience of the spoken classes from the Classic College and computers. It is very easy to learn English from here. And there is a main thing, grammar. In the outside, it is very difficult to learn grammar in everywhere. But here, we are learning it through the song. It is very entertainment, thrilling and funny. There's a main thing. Because of coming to this class, I got an Inspire Award. It is for the performance skill based on the sub-district level. And from here, I got the presentation skill. These are the sweet words that I like to say about this class. And thank you.
Good morning, I am Amal. Welcome to Clariphone English News from Classic College and Computers in Chalisheri. Headline first. MLA of Tirthala Assembly Constituency Advocate V.T. Balram allotted 10 computers to Government Higher Secondary School in Chalisheri.
All SLC winners from Classic College and Computers has been awarded by Kundangalam MLA Babu Palisheri.
Mr. Mustafa Kudalur took a class about news reporting to the editorial board members of RILS, a weekly newsletter from Clariphone English students from Classic College and Computers.
Kerala Vyabhari Vyavsayi Ekopana Samiti Chalisheri unit donated 1 computer to Government Higher Secondary School Chalisheri. News never ends. See you again. Bye.